Okay guys, Carty&Carty here, and this time guys is a little I would say talk through repair. I already repaired this amplifier, but I said I'm gonna share something with you guys real quick. So right now this is a MBQUART, yeah, so MBQUART NA710.5, so it's a 5-channel amplifier, and its front of it look like this here guys, and the supply and the speaker section, in output section look like this, output and input, and inside view looking like this here guys. So problem with this one guys was when you put the speaker, not the speaker, the power wire on, sometimes it comes on, sometimes it don't. Sometimes you have to take the remote off, and you have to, when you take the remote off and both the power and the positive, the power wire, and the negative wire is on, then it turns on. That's what the guy says to me. So I didn't, when I tried it, it just come on and protect. So I don't know if it was true or what, but I have amplifier like that did that before and stuff like that, and so I tried it, it wasn't coming on. Every time I tried, whichever way it was coming up in protection mode. So alright, take it apart. I remember back in Jamaica I never have an amplifier here that does that, but back in Jamaica I remember repairing amplifier with that same problem. And the TL494 is what I normally change, and the opto coupler. Yeah, so what I did just now, I just take out this board, the little switching board right here. I call it switching board, so, and then I removed what is that little thing now, man? Alright, so I removed the SMD TL494 and the opto coupler. It has one beside it, so I play both of those and the amplifier comes on working fine, just like that. So I'm just sharing that with you guys real quick. So if ever you come across an issue like that, check out the TL494 and replace it, because that could be a case. So, and then I'm here, so I'm testing it out. So let me continue to test it guys. So if you ever come across anything like that, remember, that's what you should check. YouTube non-copyright music. I don't know if they're gonna copyright me for this, but that's what it says. It says reggae beat made by Mendy and the beat, non-copyright. So I don't know. We'll see about it guys. So guys, that's it for this little what I show you. Yeah, so that's all I did to this amplifier. Now it's working fine guys. So if ever you have one like this guys, no output but just switching stage always, a TL494 was faulty. So and the opto coupler could be going to, it could be any one of the two. I didn't take time out to figure out which one it is. I didn't remove one then remove the other. I just removed both of them, switch the amplifier on, and that's it. Comes on working fine. So yes guys, so that's it for this repair guys, and thank you guys for watching. And I really appreciate you guys watching my channel. And as I said guys, Carty&Carty is out for now, and I have a lot more to share guys, so please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and there are a lot more in store guys. So alright, Carty&Carty out for now, just showing you that little bit of information. Okay guys, alright.